So today we're going to take a look at solving with a common base. So as you can see here, our bases are the same, so therefore our exponents have to be the same. So 3 minus 2x has to equal negative x. So we can just solve it, plus 2x plus 2x. So 3 equals 1x. All right, so x is equal to 3. So in order to do this, we have to make bases the same. So this is a base of 3. So 343 is a base of b. Let's see, 3 to the first is 3. 3 squared is 9. 3 cubed is 27. 3 to the fourth, so this times 3 is 81. 3 to the fifth times 3 is 243. So this one, I could say 3 to the 1 minus 2x equals 3 to the fifth. So 1 minus 2x equals 5, minus 1 minus 1. Negative 2x equals 4, so x is equal to negative 2. So our goal is to make the bases the same. Well, this one has a base of 4. Well, 1. Well, I know anything to the 0 power is 1. So I could rewrite it like this. And then our bases are the same. So 3x minus 2 equals 0. So if I solve that, x is equal to 2/3. Now let's think about rules of exponents here. We have bases of 6, but it has to be base exponent on each side. Well, our rule here is that we can add those. So this is really 6 to the 2m equals 6 to the negative 2m. So 2m equals negative 2m. So plus 2m plus 2m. So 4m equals 0. So m would be equal to 0. Now what about this next one? Again, this is a negative exponent, so let's flip it up and we'll make it positive. So 2 to the 3x, 2 to the negative 2x plus 3. And again, we add our exponents. So this is 2 to the 4x equals 2 to the negative 2x plus 3. So our bases are the same. So 4x equals negative 2x plus 3 plus 2x. So 6x equals 3. So x is equal to 3 over 6, or 1/2. Now you'll notice this next one. We're going to solve for x. Well, how do we get x by itself? Well, we add 16. So x to the fourth equals 16. But how do we undo that exponent? Well, we wanted x to the first power, right? Because that's just x. So to redo that 4, I'll raise it to the 1/4 power on each side. So this is now just x equals 16 to the 1/4 power. So to solve that, I'm thinking, what number to the 4th power gives me 16? And that's 2. So x is equal to 2. So this one, let's see, divide by 4. So we have x to the 1/2 equals 4. And then to 1/2, we would square it. So x equals 16. This next one, let's divide by 2. So x to the 2/3 equals 16. Well, then we'd raise it to the 3 over 2. So x equals 16 to the 3 over 2. And we could evaluate with this without a calculator. We could separate it to the 1/2 cubed. Well, 16 to the 1/2 is the same as the square root, so that's 4 cubed, which is 64. And our last one, so divide by 4. So x to the negative 2/3 equals 9/4. Well, then it would be to the negative 3 over 2. So x equals, and I'm going to raise the top and bottom to that. Well, we have negative exponents, so we flip it. So 4 to the 3 over 2, 9 to the 3 over 2. And if I separate it out, that's to the 1/2 cubed, 9 to the 1/2 cubed. Well, square root, so that's 2 cubed over 3 cubed. So it's 4 over 27.